Hi guys, good morning or good afternoon. Walking here and andito ngayon tayo sa St. Martin. St. Martin. So, magpo 4x4 lang tayo dito or acquire elevation lang. So, St. Martin to St. Paul, St. Paul to St. Martin, balik dito. And I just want to acquire elevation, siguro mga 300 meter na elevation, and cool down dito na sa ultra. So ang shape niya guys, yung ruta niya is like letter U, and downhill galing dito St. Martin, downhill and uphill papuntang St. Paul, tas balik ulit St. Paul, downhill, paakyat naman ng St. Martin. And yan, just want to gain elevation and mileage siguro, and cool down dito sa ultra kasi katabi lang niya yung sports arena guys dito sa Pasig. So ayun, umpisan na natin to dahil busog na busog pa ako, pero gusto ko nang simulan to para matapos na agad. Dahan-dahan lang natin to kasi kakakain ko lang, and yeah, and this is just a simple easy run kasi tatansyahin ko pa yung elevation na magigain ko dito sa isang balikan. I just want to try the elevation dahil dito ako mag-train for the elevation gain. So ayun, basta natin to St. Martin. So guys, from St. Martin papunta dito sa St. Paul is 1 kilometer, and then meron siyang around 30 meter elevation. So pabalik ng St. Martin from St. Paul 2 kilometers, around 61 meters gain na siya. So bumalik ulit ako from St. Martin papunta ulit dito sa St. Paul. So meron na akong 88.4 elevation gain. So I want to test myself to achieve 1,000 meters for today. So around 10k, tama ba computation ko? I don't know kung mali yung computation ko, pero I want to test myself for today na makagain ng 1,000 meter elevation for nasa 3k pa lang ako and almost 90 meter na yung elevation. So 3k tumatakbo talaga, mahina sa math. Basta 1,000 meter bread, pahinga lang, and then balik na ulit tayo sa training. Makakapagod pala to, hindi ko inaasahan. Guys, bumalik na ako sa St. Martin and naka 100 plus meters na ako, and I found out na hindi ko pala kakayanin yung 1,000 meters today kasi naka 4 kilometers na ako, 100 meters pa lang. So 100 times 10, 1,000 meters. So 4 times 10, 40 kilometers. So kailangan ko mag-marathon distance to get the 1,000 meters elevation, and I can't do that today. Mali yung competition natin. So back lang tayo sa goal ko for today. 300 meters lang, huwag nating pilitin yung sarili natin. So 300 meters is 12 kilometers. Ayun, tama na yung competition ko. So yun, 12 kilometers lang tayo today. And 300 meter na elevation gain. And then cool down tayo sa dito sa Ultra Phil Sports Arena. And we're back in St. Martin again. Gagi. Maybe next time gawin natin tong 1,000 meters, 42 or 50k, St. Paul to St. Martin and vice versa. Kapagod. So tinamad na ako. 800 meters lang yung ginawa ko dito sa Ultra. With ayun, 800 meters. Cool down. And nag-stretching na din ako. So yun lang. That's our day 3 of week 5 of our ultramarathon training. So mission accomplished. I gained 300 meter elevation. And okay na din yun. Mileage 10k for today. So mag-a-adjust ako next week for another elevation gain training sa St. Martin and St. Paul. So alam ko na, around 10k, mga 300 meters elevation gain. So paingatan na tayo and pagod na ako guys. Training pa more. Yun lang guys. Bye.